letting me know. Let me know what you'd like to do next.
Take off.
Are you ready for takeoff?
Yes.
We have successfully taken off and we're hovering at 2.5 meters. What would you like to do now?
Face camera down.
The camera is now facing straight down. Let me know if you'd like any specific movement or another photo.
Take a picture.
Another photo has been captured with the camera facing down. Let me know if you'd like any further adjustments or movements.
Face camera forward.
The camera is now facing forward. What would you like to do next?
Face camera to the left.
The camera is now facing to the left. Let me know if you'd like me to take another picture or adjust anything else.
Face camera to the right.
The camera is now facing to the right. What would you like to do next?